The Aircraft Structures Laboratory educates students on aircraft structural design, fabrication, testing, while also researching advanced technology like artificial intelligence, electrification, and digitalization. The laboratory's development began with Thorpe University in 1891, attracting scientists like Hale, Noyes, and Millikan, and later transformed into the California Institute of Technology. 5 types of aircraft structures laboratory include Advanced Vertical Laboratory, Aero and Fluid Dynamics Lab, Aerospace Human Systems Laboratory, Aerospace Technology Research and Operations Center, and Aerospace Vehicle System Institute. The initiative aims to enhance students' knowledge and skills, provide project facilities, and enhance production efficiency. Graduates and professionals with expertise in aircraft structures laboratory can pursue career paths such as laboratory engineer, aircraft structures technician, laboratory technician, and aircraft mechanic. The Aircraft Structures Laboratory provides facilities for fabrication and testing of aircraft structural materials. Experiments in this laboratory are very useful for enhancing the learning experience of students by encouraging them to undertake projects. Overall, the Aircraft Structures Laboratory has played a crucial role in advancing the field of aeronautics and has contributed to the development of safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly aircraft. Thank you.